Welcome children in bio class. Children, today I am going to teach you about genes and properties of genes. Genes are unit of inheritance. These are located in the chromosomes in linear fashion. Genes are carried from parents to offsprings by gametes. Genes control the expression of character. Children, the gene term was introduced by Johnson, but gene was used as factor, and Gregor John Mendel, when described inheritance of characters from parents to offsprings, then he told there is a factor which control the character. So Mendelian's factor now is known as gene. Genes determines the physical as well as physiological characters of organisms. Genes are found in chromosomes, and in the chromosomes a gene occupies a specific position, and that specific position of gene on a chromosome is called locus. Genes express themselves by producing enzymes, and enzymes are proteins. It was told by Gregor W. Bedel and Edward L. Tatum. So Bedel and Tatum performed experiment, and after the experiment they proposed one gene, one enzyme hypothesis. It means one gene, one enzyme hypothesis states that one gene controls the production of one enzyme. Later on it was found enzymes are protein, and it is made up of polypeptide chain. Therefore, there is modification in the hypothesis. Instead of one gene, one enzyme hypothesis, now it is called one gene, one polypeptide hypothesis. So according to this hypothesis, a gene can code for only one polypeptide chain. Thus, one gene, one polypeptide hypothesis was proposed, and this hypothesis states that one gene controls the production of one polypeptide chain of enzyme molecule. So earlier it was told genes express themselves by producing enzymes, and enzymes are protein. Protein is made up of polypeptide chain. Therefore, now it is one gene, one polypeptide hypothesis. According to this hypothesis, one gene controls the production of one polypeptide chain of enzyme molecule. A gene can code for one polypeptide chain. Genes duplicate themselves. During gamete formation, there is meiosis division. At the time of meiosis division, there is crossing over there is exchange of the chromosomal segment. So there is gene may transfer from one chromosomes to another chromosomes, because genes are present on the chromosomes, and during crossing over, the a part of the chromosomal segment transfer from one chromosome to another chromosomes. So it means there is the transfer of genes from one chromatids, one chromosomes to another. And during the cell division, there is duplication of the chromosomes, so that each daughter cells can get same number of chromosomes. So genes duplicate themselves. The phenomena of duplication is known as replication. A gene is a segment of DNA which contain the information. Therefore, now modern definition of gene is: a gene is a segment of DNA which contains the information for the synthesis of one enzyme or one polypeptide chain. Children, I told what is the gene. Earlier it was told genes are unit of inheritance. Genes are located in the chromosomes in linear fashion. Genes carry the information from parents to offsprings. Genes express the character, but now is clear gene is a segment of DNA and it contains the information for the synthesis of one enzyme or one polypeptide. So you have to know the molecular structure of gene. Chemically, a gene is formed of DNA. Benger had coined new terms to denote the relationship between DNA molecule and genetic phenomena. These terms are recon, muton, cistron, operon, and replicon. These terms are subunits of genes. So children, you have to know the meaning of all these new terms, new phenomena, which are subunits of gene. Recon. Recon is the smallest unit of DNA which is capable of undergoing crossing over and recombination. I told during crossing over, a segment of DNA or segment of chromosomes is going to transfer, because crossing over is the breaking and rejoining of chromosomal segments of non-sister chromatids. So recon is the smallest unit of DNA which is capable of undergoing crossing over and recombination. A recon may be as small as one nucleotide pair in DNA. Second term is muton. Muton is the smallest unit of DNA which could undergo mutation. It is the smallest unit of DNA which is undergo mutation. So in its smallest expression, it represents a change in a pair of nucleotides in a codon. Next term is cistron. Cistron is the unit of function. It is a structure gene which synthesizes a polypeptide chain. Operon. Operon is the combination of an operator genes, a structure genes, or a sequence of structure genes, and these act together as a unit. Replicon. Replicon is the unit of replication. I have told you during reproduction there is duplication or replication, and in that similar types of genes are produced. So unit of replication is replicon. So this I told the different terms. Racon, that is the smallest unit of DNA which is capable of undergoing crossing over or recombination. Mutant, smallest unit of DNA which could undergo mutation. Cistron, it is the unit of function. Operon, combination of operated gene, a structure gene, or a sequence of structure genes. Replicon is the unit of replication. Children, next you have to study properties of genes. So you studied genes are present on the chromosomes, and there are several genes in each chromosomes. A number of genes are present on each chromosomes, and genes are associated with the inheritance of character. Genes are hereditary units. Genes control the phenotype of organisms. It means structural and functional characters of organisms are controlled by the genes. Genes are associated with the inheritance of the character, therefore genes are hereditary units. Gene control reproduction through their replication. Genes undergo mutation and produce variation. Genes may transfer from one chromosomes to another chromosomes by crossing over. A single gene may occur in several different forms, and these different forms of genes called alleles. So this I told the properties of genes. So children, I had explained to you what is genes, what are the properties of genes, and what is the molecular structure of genes. So you watch video. If you like it, you share and subscribe the video.